Good morning, all of you. Audio, video clear. So welcome all of you. Welcome all of you to this next video or next lecture on this paper analysis series. One more lecture and we will be completing this paper analysis. So this week, paper analysis, and next week onwards, we'll start the other topics. So new students, this is part of the CSIR-NET Part A complete course for 2025 exams, in which students who recently joined in this course, there will be almost 60 to 70 live classes और उसका recordings भी मिलेगा. Study materials में 60 topic wise class notes होगा, 60 practice worksheets, 100 flashcards, and हर week में test होगा. So the schedule will be something similar to this. Every week 3 classes only will be there. Baki 3 days for your practice. 3 days for practice. So for that 3 days, you will be given practice worksheet so that you can practice that 3 topics we completed. So uske baad Sunday there will be weekly test. Sunday weekly test hoga. So this is how the schedule will be. So that every week 3 topics are completely learning. वो 3 topic का classes भी attend किया, practice भी किया, और उसका evaluation Sunday में weekly test में हो जाएगा. So that is how this time, this is a new thing we are introducing, the weekly test. Earlier batches, this was not there. For more revision, more thorough learning, these initiatives are done. Or 10 full length mock test hoga, और उसका video solutions भी होगा. 15 shortcut approaches, exam hacks, all these things will be discussed as part of this course. Detailed theory of all aptitude topics will be done. Last 14 year ka previous year question solution. Previous year question ka understanding बहुत ही important है. So last 14 year का previous year question discussion भी होगा ये course में, including the latest question paper. Yeah, today we are discussing February 2025 question paper. Today we will be discussing, and in each chapter, topic by topic, we will be discussing. That is when that understanding or the theory you will learn completely. और क्लासेस आप लैपटॉप और मोबाइल दोनों में एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. मोबाइल में एक्सेस करने के लिए ये वेबसाइट पे लॉगिन करिए विद द रजिस्टर्ड मोबाइल नंबर. So that is how you can attend the classes in mobile phone. And if any of your friends want to join this course, let them know. Now we have introduced 6-month and 4-month subscription also. I will suggest you go for minimum 6 months, because 4-month subscription, it will be just enough to complete the live classes. Extra days nahi milega, because almost 4 months it will take for the classes to be completed. So 1 year subscription है, तो अब December exam में भी exam के लिए भी target कर रहा था, 1 year subscription will be better, because price wise also it will be lesser for a 1 year subscription. So if any of your friends or any of you watching this video as a demo video, if you have any doubts regarding the course, contact us at this number. Classes या mobile application Christy's classes download करके join कर सकता है course में, या attend कर सकता है classes, and ये website में भी join कर सकता है classes and attend कर सकता है classes. So, and new students, this is the bio of me. I'm the author of the bestseller book for CSIR-NET General Aptitude, titled CSIR-NET General Aptitude, A New Outlook. This is the current bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A preparation. Amazon or Flipkart, दोनों websites में available है ये printed book. Okay, so my course is common for all streams. Please understand. Yeah, today's question paper also you can see many of the questions, or 3 or 4 questions, were repetition of physical science and chemical science question paper. Small change in numbers, everything else was same. That's why I'm saying all subject papers are similar only. Please don't distinguish that mathematical science के लिए ऐसा टाइप का क्वेश्चन होगा, लाइफ साइंस के लिए ऐसा टाइप, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इस बार easiest पेपर मैथमेटिकल साइंस का था, नेक्स्ट easiest आई थिंक फिजिकल साइंस का था, देन लाइफ साइंस का, देन केमिकल साइंस का. That all happens. One paper may be little tougher than the other, because human beings are creating the paper, not robots or AI. So one paper's difficulty will be little higher or lesser than the other. And if you're not aware, you can be part of our other resources also, Telegram channel. Yeah, for this course, there is a dedicated Telegram group and WhatsApp group. Announcement section, check kariye. Those of you join this course, in the course page, you can find the link to join the WhatsApp group and Telegram group. Or Telegram, there is a YouTube channel through which also you get other videos and other exams ka bhi free videos available hai. And if you want to be part of the WhatsApp group, again, those who join the course already, the link for this exclusive WhatsApp group is given by, there is a general WhatsApp group also, that also if you want you can join. So this is the Insta page where quiz of the day and other initiatives are also there, and these are the websites. And GATE exam ka course bhi hai. So for those people who join CSIR-NET live complete course, a special announcement, GATE General Aptitude ka 1 year course abhi available hai. 2499 is the price for the live complete course. Or wo 1 year course, you can get it at 50% discount if you are already part of the CSIR-NET course. GATE live course ke liye 50% discount hoga, and the course price will be just 1250 will be the price of the course. So those of you want to be part of the GATE course also, because GATE exam, CSIR-NET exam, some topics are similar but many topics are different, especially verbal aptitude GATE exam mein extra hai. Mathematical related some chapters are extra in GATE, and some type of questions are also little different. So all those will be covered in detail in the GATE course. So this is the details of the GATE live complete course. और GATE exam में verbal ability बहुत ही important है, इसलिए verbal ability का improvement के लिए there are some initiatives run as part of this course. Word of the day, question of the day, etc. initiatives are there. That also you will be getting access once you are joining this live complete course for GATE 2026. So the price for the live complete course CSIR-NET students, the price will be 1250 for the 1 year subscription of the course. The course validity will be till 2026 February. Okay, and currently Holi offer is running. That Holi offer is extended till tomorrow, so that also you can use. If you want to purchase any other courses in the platform, you can use that. Okay, ये CSIR-NET complete course का schedule ऐसा होगा, topics का schedule ऐसा होगा. इसके अलावा extra lectures है, ये question paper analysis and all. These will be the schedule of the CSIR-NET course. Okay, so let us start. This is the first question we are discussing. Life science paper का discussion है 2025 FEB exam का, and this question was a repetition of a question that I have explained too many times. Previous year question paper में आया हुआ question है ये. वहां पे table था, यहाँ पे line graph है. That's the only difference. Yeah, try it. After that I will explain more. 2 minutes to try. All of you try. If anyone remember, those who attended my previous YouTube videos or the full course or any videos, if you have seen this type of question we discussed, you can comment on the video. So if you're watching this is a demo video also, do comment if you have seen a similar question in the previous year question discussion itself. November 2020 में भी पूछा था ये same type का question. So try this data interpretation का question. Any answers? All of you got any answers? Okay, I'll explain. So as I told, this is the 5th time they are asking the same type question. This is called, I normally call it price per carat question. ये per carat data miss किया तो answer गलत होगा. Before exam also, when I taught exam hacks, I have told this mistake students can make. Price per carat. एक carat का price. Carat means not the vegetable carrot, but the unit used to specify the quality or quantity of diamonds or gold. So 22 carat, 24 carat, but in the case of diamond, it is little different. In gold, it is 22, 24, etc. we commonly use. So diagram shows the rate of diamonds of different sizes. मतलब 0.5 sizes का size का diamond का price क्या है? 1. 1 means 1 lakh rupees. Is it 1 lakh for 0.5? No. 1 lakh into 0.5, 50,000 only. Did you understand that point? That point is the one that many people miss. I will tabulate the data. Weight 0.5 gram. मतलब 0.5 gram 0.5 कैरेट, सॉरी 0.5 कैरेट वाला एक डायमंड है, उसका प्राइस पर कैरेट, मतलब वो 1 कैरेट था तो उसका प्राइस 1 लाख होगा, लेकिन उसको 1 कैरेट नहीं है ना, 0.5 मीन्स आधा कैरेट ही है, सो आधा कैरेट ही है, सो हाफ इंटू 1 लाख, हाफ इंटू 1 लाख मीन्स half lakh only. Half lakh means 50,000. No? Did you all understood why this is 50,000? In the data interpretation chapter, I will be discussing this kind of questions in detail. That time I will explain more about it. Again, if you are not getting this idea, I'll tell you. For example, in a supermarket, they are telling 1 kg sugar prices 60 rupees. But there is a half kg packet available. Do you have to give 60 rupees for that? No. Half kg packet available है तो आप 30 rupees ही देना पड़ेगा. Same logic. Half kg means 0.5 kg. Here 0.5 carat. ये price per carat है. 1 full carat मिला तो इसका 1 लाख देना पड़ेगा. So half carat मिल रहा तो उसका आधा ही देना पड़ेगा. Same way this 1 carat का per carat price 2 lakh है. So 1 into 2 lakh. 1 into 2 lakh is 2 lakh itself. So this second piece cost is little higher. That is the meaning. Per carat cost higher है. Third one 1.5 का 3 carat होगा. 3 rupees, 3 lakh. 1.5 एक का है तो 3 lakh rupees per carat. 1 carat था तो 3 lakh. So 1.5 carat है तो 1.5 into 3 lakh. 1.5 into 3 means 4.5 lakh. 4.5 lakh. Actually, the question is over. Question is asking of what size is the largest diamond that can be purchased for 4.5 lakh. 4.5 lakh largest for ये 2 लाख का डायमंड है, 4.5 लाख का डायमंड ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है, सो दैट उसका वेट 1.5 कैरेट है. सो ऑप्शन 1 इज द करेक्ट आंसर, नॉट ऑप्शन 2 और ऑप्शन 3 और ऑप्शन 4 और ऑप्शन 3 और ऑप्शन 4. Why half lakh? Okay. Shashikala, I told the example to understand. Now, for example, if a shopkeeper is telling 1 kg potato price is 60 rupees. So if you want to buy half kg only, you don't have to give total 60 rupees. You only have to give half of 60. 1 kg price he told, but it is up to you how much you should buy. But in this case, 0.5 carat there is a diamond available. 1 carat there is a diamond available, 1.5 available, 2 available, 2.5 available. So you have to first calculate the money. Directly cross matching the y-axis will not give you this. As I told, the same question, instead of bar chart, in previous years, they have given directly table. This time they have, not bar chart, line graph. This time they have shifted to line graph. That's the only difference. Is it clear now? All of you please respond. Those of you got other answers, is it clear? Now, those of you have doubt about other options, I will show you. ये 2 कैरेट डायमंड का प्राइस 4 लाख पर कैरेट है, पर कैरेट, एक कैरेट का 4 लाख. So 2 into 4 lakh, total price is 8 lakh. 8 lakh. 4.5 लाख दे के 8 लाख डायमंड खरीद सकता है? नहीं कर सकता है. So definitely this is not possible. Similarly 2.5 कैरेट का 5 lakh per carat. So 2.5 into 5, that 5 lakh, that is 12.5 lakh is the price of that diamond piece. You have only 4.5 lakh with you, so you cannot purchase it. So these three options are wrong. सबको clear है? All of you? Beautiful question, na? But not a surprising question, because this is a question I normally teach students frequently. This normally I teach this for telling them CSIR-NET, they will try to trick you with keywords. यहाँ पे per carat वाला keyword miss किया तो you will get a wrong answer for sure. यहाँ पे per carat missing था तो answer different होगा. Let me tell you that. Instead of rupees per carat, if it is rupees, then that means 2.25 carat diamond भी खरीद सकता है, because 2.25 का price almost 4.5 lakh है. Per carat नहीं, total price है तो then 2.25, 4.5. That's why they have given the option 2.25 to trick you, to give you a negative mark. Don't fall for the trick. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. In this course, this is what I will be teaching you. Exam hacks. In exam, what all ways you can make mistakes, I know it, because I'm teaching for the last 11 years for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. And for the book I'm writing also, I was listing out what all are the common mistakes students can make by analyzing previous year questions. That's the main thing. So that I will pass on to you, so that you won't make those mistakes in exam hall, and negative marks can be converted to positive marks. Yeah, let me tell you the importance. Making a mistake, you are not losing that much that you estimate. You're using more than what you think. For example, just missing the keyword per carat, how much mark you are losing? If you are correctly answering it, you could have got 2 mark. As you are wrongly answering, you are losing half mark more. So total half mark and 2 mark, you are losing 2.5 mark. Not 2 mark you are losing, not half mark you are losing. You are losing 2.5 mark. क्योंकि वो करेक्ट किया तो 2 मार्क मिल सकता था, वो गलत करने की वजह से -1/2 मार्क भी मिला, मतलब हाफ मार्क रिड्यूस हुआ, मतलब टोटल आपका टोटल पॉसिबल मार्क से 2.5 मार्क रिड्यूस हो गया स्मॉल केयरलेस मिस्टेक से. So ये स्मॉल केयरलेस मिस्टेक्स कैसा अवॉइड करना है, दैट आई विल ट्रेन यू इन द अपकमिंग क्लासेस. And let me tell you, in previous years, it was not only asked in life science paper. I think in November 2020, this type of question was asked in mathematical science paper. And in 2016 and 15 also questions were there of that, which was asked in physical science, chemical science. All papers had such question. I mean, this same type question. So सारा streams के लिए question paper similar है. And other subject का question आपका subject में repeat होने का chances ज़्यादा है. So please don't skip previous year question solutions of other subjects also. Please watch them. So those of you are part of my full course, you don't have to worry. I will train you all the questions of all subjects so that you get more and more practice. But I'm telling, if any of you watching this video as a demo video want to do self-study, then do previous year question discussion or previous year question practice of other subjects aptitude also. That is important. So try the next question. ये question याद है? Yesterday physical science paper में, in the last class we discussed physical science paper analysis ना. So उसमें something similar to this was there ना. There square के जगह cube root था. यहाँ पे square है. Very similar ना. That means same year two papers had similar questions. Physical science paper का question life science paper में repeat हुआ. So I'll give you 1.5 minutes. All of you try, please. Okay, so I'll explain. Square of 5% is closest to 5%. Percentage means divided by 100. Cent means 100. Percent means divided by 100. So 5 by 100. Uska square. In the laws of exponents chapter, we are going to learn a by b the whole raised to m is a raised to m by b raised to m. Flashcards are also there for these kinds of rules. So 5 by 100, uska square means 5 square by 100 square, you can split it up. 5 square 25, 100 square 10000. Again, here you can smartly do. Finally, we want to convert it into percentage. Now, percentage मतलब denominator में 100 होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे 100 है. मतलब इसको 100 से डिवाइड किया तो या 2 डेसिमल पॉइंट लेफ्ट शिफ्ट किया तो मतलब न्यूमरेटर में भी लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करना है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करना है. देन देयर इज नो मिस्टेक. लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करना मीन्स यू आर डिवाइडिंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय द सेम नंबर. दैट इज नॉट ए मिस्टेक ना. डिनोमिनेटर डिवाइड किया तो 100 मिलेगा. 25 by 100 is 0.25. 0.25 by 100 means what? 0.25%. So option 1 is the correct answer. This is the easiest way to simplify. Don't worry if you are not feeling very confident in this. In the percentage chapter, I will be teaching you more about this. All these are clearly addressed in each of the lectures. So don't worry at all. Sabko clear hai na? Most of you got the answer right. So I think let's move on. Those of you watching this video as a demo video in YouTube also, please comment your answers in the chat. If you're not getting, and mention that. And in case you have used any of our previous videos for your preparation of the last exam, and if you liked it or if it helped you in exam, please comment that also, because that is a courtesy you can show to an educator who gave you free classes through YouTube without any other payment or anything. If you got benefit by it, please mention that, because that will be encouraging for educators to come up with more free classes, and it will help others to know that these videos are helpful for them. So that is something you can do in return. This I'm telling to those people who are watching this video in YouTube. Only the paper analysis video we are uploading in YouTube also. After that, the topics will be available, or topic by topic discussion is available only as part of our live complete course in our mobile application Christy's Classes and website christysclasses.in. Arithmetic mean का question है, बहुत ही simple question है if you understood the meaning of the question properly. Yeah, understanding the meaning of the question, that part is little tricky. Once you got it, it is simple. These kinds of questions you should be able to create good examples to start with. That is the most important thing. Taking example method is what I call those kinds of solutions. As you know, we will be discussing about 15 ways in which you can do question. Yes, Shashikala, you can share it in the chat. Yes, you can take a pic and post it. Let me just check that option is there or not. Just check in your app, it is showing or not. If that option is there, you can send that pic. Otherwise, you can post it in our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, Shashikala. I will check there. So, if you complete this, I'll get some water and come complete this question. Okay, so this question, how to proceed, I'll tell you. Average of 10 distinct non-negative integers. These words are very important. This is connected to number system also. So, non-negative, so positive होना चाहिए, integers होना चाहिए, so fractions are avoid. So, distinct, all should be different also. So here the idea, what is arithmetic mean? Sum of observation divided by arithmetic mean. There's a property that if an arithmetic progression, if the given data is an arithmetic progression, mean and median are equal. Mean and median are equal. That in the average chapter or elementary statistics lecture, I will be discussing more about it. So when I see 14.5 is the average, I am first trying to make an arithmetic progression and trying to create 14.5 as the middle value. So 10 observations are there. For example, if 14 is the middle value and 14 and 15 are the middle value, 14 and 15's average, 14.5 will be the median. I'm creating example like this. This takes some time. This takes some effort of getting mastery in this topic. Then only you will get this idea very fast. That 14, 15, uska middle 14.5 hoga, 13, 16, then 12, 11. And as an arithmetic progression, I'm writing 12, 17, 10, 18, 11, 18, 11, 18, and 10, 19. Or simply speaking, this is the example I am creating which satisfies all the conditions in the question. I will explain how. इसका एवरेज क्या होगा 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है ना अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मींस देयर इज अ कॉमन डिफरेंस सो मीन एंड मीडियन इक्वल होगा अरिथमेटिक मीन एंड अरिथमेटिक मीडियन इक्वल होगा अगेन डोंट वरी ऑल दीस थिंग्स विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन डेप्थ व्हाई अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के लिए मीन एंड मीडियन इक्वल है ये सब चैप्टर में डिटेल में डिस्कस होगा नाउ आई एम जस्ट ब्रीफली डिस्कसिंग एट अ थियरी ओनली सो 14 एंड 15 का एवरेज 14.5 होगा इसका मीडियन ही होगा arithmetic mean. So this condition is satisfied. 10 distinct non-negative integers है ना ये. Now average of the maximum and minimum of these numbers is less than 15. Now maximum and minimum are 10 and 19. उसका average क्या होगा 10 plus 19 by 2. 10 plus 19 by 2. 10 plus 19 by 2, 29 by 2. 14.5 होगा ना. Now, from this idea, now you may be thinking, how I can know that they are asking about this set of values itself. For example, if there is something called deviation approach. If I change the deviations, like 10, I am reducing 1 and keeping 9 here. 19, I am increasing to 20. Then the average won't change. Why that average won't change? Again, little more detailed theory, which we'll be discussing in the class. So, इसका average भी 14.5 होगा. But इसमें problem, one second. Okay, yeah. This is how you can trial and error. This is how you can trial and error, because if this is 9 and this is 20 also, average will be 14.5 because iska sum of observation same hoga na. Sum of observation same hoga. 10 you reduce by 1, 9. 19 you increase to get 20. So the sum of observation is still same itself. मतलब इसका average भी 14.5 होगा. We started with an arithmetic progression to create a good example. Then we are tweaking and see whether all the conditions are correct or not. Average of the maximum and minimum means 10, 9 and 20 ka average. That is 29 by 2, 14.5 itself hoga. 14.5 itself hoga. Now, instead of 9 and 20, what about 8 and 21? Is it possible? 8 and 21 be possible, na? All other numbers I'm keeping it like that itself. Only these numbers I am changing. So these all are possible. 821 is possible. Instead of that, 722 is possible. 623 is possible. Are you understanding? All other numbers, let it be same itself. You can change other numbers, that is another thing. But that is not our problem, because question is finally asking about minimum. Okay, so these all are possible. Keep in mind, which of the following is the maximum possible value of the minimum? Minimum value to 10 hai. In this case, here 9, here 8, here 7, here 6. So isme se maximum kab hoga? 10. Now you may be thinking, why can't it be 10.5 and here 18.5? But then that won't be integer. वो condition भी satisfy करना है ना. 10.5 integer नहीं है, इसलिए 10 answer है. I have shown you other examples just to give you insights of this idea. 9 possible है, लेकिन maximum नहीं है. 10 is bigger than 9. 10 is bigger than 8. That is why 9 and 8 are wrong. 10 is possible. Now there's an option of 11. 11, is it possible? No. 11 possible होने के लिए 11 and 11 दो बार लिखना पड़ेगा. But that is not allowed. Distinct होना चाहिए. Is it clear? All of you, please respond. Yeah, little time consuming question, I agree. This one, I'll come back to this also, is little time consuming. Try this number system question. ये पिछले year का question का एक tweaked version है. Simple था. If you use the right example. Here also taking example is the best method. Shashigala, you can't confirm it is arithmetic progression only. That is a mistake you have done. How you have taken x plus 2. If you have taken arithmetic progression, it should be x plus 1. Na? I have checked the solution that you have sent. That is a mistake, because question didn't say that is it arithmetic progression or not. 11 as minimum, then by taking the least difference possibility, 10 the number is 20. Yes. You can do that way also. That is also a good approach, Sujita. Lobamudra, tell me an example for which 11 works. Yeah, Sujita have mentioned why 11 don't work also, Lobamudra. Check out that solution. Yeah, if you want me to explain that little more, look at this. If 11 is the minimum, that means you have to start with 11 as the smallest number. Na? So if I start with 11, then another number 11 you can't take because distinct. Then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now इसका average क्या होगा? 15 and 16 का middle 15.5 होगा. 15.5 होगा ना. So that is not satisfying this condition. Now you may say, why can't we take more bigger values? 11 के बाद 13, उसके बाद 15. Then the average will even more will become even bigger ना. 15.5 itself acceptable नहीं है क्योंकि 14.5 होना चाहिए. So any other case you will get more than 15.5 only. So 11 is impossible. Clear है ना Lobamudra? Is it clear? Yeah, this question taking example method is also fine. Elimination by substitution is also fine. Sujita have done elimination by substitution. That is also perfectly working. I am starting with example because that makes me understand the question faster. That is the reason I use taking example. If you're already getting the idea, then you can go with elimination also. That's also perfectly fine. So try this. Actually, one more thing I wanted to ask you all. Anyone have attempted this life science paper, the exam? Actually, I haven't got the other life science paper. Life science के लिए दो question papers था because the exam was conducted in 2 time slots. I got only one of the question paper from students. Life science का second other question paper, if anyone have downloaded or if anyone have got it from somewhere, please forward it because that is needed for the next day's discussion. All other papers I got, but life science second shift I haven't got. Again, I don't know whether this is the morning shift or afternoon shift, but the other question paper which don't have these questions in it, that if any of you have attempted the FEB exam, I'm telling to those people who are attending my live course also, those of you are watching this in YouTube also, if you have that question paper, telegram us or you can mail us at this number, sorry, at this email, christy1710@gmail.com. In this email, you can mail mail that question paper. I'm telling about the scorecard that CSIR have published 3 days back. Okay, so some of you got the answer. I'll explain. 3 positive integers A, B, C have a sum of 15. Every keywords are important. पिछले क्वेश्चन में distinct non-negative integers बोला था. Non-negative means positive या zero भी possible है. Here positive mentioned, but distinct is not mentioned. Many of you got answers because you thought that it should be distinct. कहाँ पे लिखा है distinct होना चाहिए? No. What I am saying is, you can take these 3 numbers same. For example, 5, 5, 5. Then what will be the value of this? 5 minus 2 the whole square, that is 3 square, plus 5 minus 2 the whole square, plus 5 minus 2 the whole square. Matlab 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27. Are you getting? Some of you got 29 and 31. That is already eliminated because minimum पूछा है. I am showing you that 27 is possible. So 29 and 31, even if it is possible, that is not the minimum. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Now, yeah, definitely you can ask 25 possible है. 25 possible होने के लिए I have to reduce this 27. For that, yeah, this is the theory we can say. Yeah, Shashikala, that I will tell you. So that is related to the property of powers. the powers grow exponentially, exponential curve. That means when the powers are increasing, like when the numbers is increasing by 1 only, but the power will increase in a bigger proportion. For example, 3 to 4 difference is just 1, but 3 square to 4 square difference is much bigger now. It's not a linear increase, it's an exponential increase. 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Similarly, next 4 to 5 increase is also 1, but 16 and 25 increase is even bigger. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Due to this, if the numbers can be, if the base can be as smaller as possible, the sum will be as small as possible. मतलब base में ये base वाला number बड़ा हो गया तो square बड़ा होगा और sum exponentially increase होगा. So these should be kept as minimum as possible. As minimum as possible means if you are taking different numbers, what is the problem? For example, I can take 4, 5, 6. Uska sum bhi 15 hai. So 4 minus 2 the whole square, you may say 2 ka square. But when the numbers get larger and larger, uska square get more exponentially large. So when you are trying to keep a 2 here, 6 minus 2, 4 square ho gaya. Instead of keeping 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, it is better to keep the numbers of or the bases as small as possible. So if you don't take equal numbers, you will get at least one number more than 3 square or 4 square, yeah, 5 square, 6 square. The graph, again, that when I teach you mathematical graphs in data interpretation, you will understand better the exponential nature of powers or squares. With that idea, you will understand this better. So when powers are added, making the base as small as possible, that is the idea. As small as possible के लिए ABC के बीच में difference minimum होना चाहिए. ABC के बीच में difference minimum होने के लिए ABC same possible है तो that is a best possible scenario. ABC same होना okay है because 5 plus 5 plus 5 is also 15. Distinct means the difference should be minimum, Shashigala. So if it is 1 difference, that is better than 2 difference, that is better than 3 difference, and so on. Yeah, you can try it yourself now. What Shashigala asked us, 3 distinct positive what will be the answer? Then you have to keep the difference as minimum as possible. 4, 5, 6 is the minimum compared to 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 is also 15. But if it is 3, 5, 7, 7 minus 2 square, 25 is already happening here. That is not advisable. Getting the point? So that is how you have to understand it. In the case of 4, 5, 6, 4 minus 2 the whole square. 4 minus 2 the whole square, 2 square, 4. 5 minus 2 the whole square, 3 square, 9. 6 minus 2 the whole square, 4 square, 16. You can add those 3. So, hope all of you understood this. If the difference between the numbers are 0, that is the best possible scenario as we need minimum value. Again, let's learn number system. That time I will explain more. This question, those of you attended yesterday's class, now are you convinced that all subjects PYQs you are supposed to practice? I'm telling this again and again because I hear from a lot of students these questions. Sir, I am mathematical science. Should I practice life science paper? I am physical science. Should I practice chemical science paper? Yes, because CSIR, when they are not, especially when they have lack of time, the best, easiest thing they will do is they will pick questions from other subjects and put it for you for your aptitude paper. Because aptitude, they are not distinguishing like, okay, yeah, mathematical science students, let us make math more difficult for them. Aisa nahi hai. That all are coincidence. Yeah, I agree. Some years mathematical science का paper other subjects से भी difficult था, but some years mathematical science का paper life science से भी, chemical science से भी, physical science से भी, earth science से भी easier था. Like 2025 FEB exam, this exam mathematical science paper was the easiest for aptitude section. So please understand, सारा subject का aptitude papers practice करिए. Don't limit yourself to your own subject aptitude analysis. So try this question. Yesterday, what was the difference of that question and this question? Same 1, 2, 3 string चाहिए था. वहाँ पे 0 to 9 numbers था. Here 1 to 7 numbers only. Yeah, if no difference at all, then a friend who have told that this question came, then the other subject students can directly get 2 marks. To avoid that, they will make minor changes in the question. Otherwise, students will start blaming, okay, our question came in this, but my paper didn't had any question from other subjects. Aisa complaints hoga. So try this. Last video I have explained this concept in detail. That's why I'm not detailing this. Okay, I'll start explaining how many 4-digit numbers. Yeah, in the physical science paper, it was 5-digit number. Here it is 4-digit number. So 4-digit is even more easier. One less digit. So can be generated with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 such that no digit appears more than once. So repetition not allowed. 1, 2, 3 always appears as a string. Matlab 1, 2, 3, if one possibility is 1, 2, 3 and then another digit x. Or another possibility is 1, 2, 3 in the end, x in the beginning. In the physical science paper, the possibility of 0 in the beginning you have to exclude and all. Here 0 is missing. That's why that problem is also not there. So this is a simplified version of that physical science question paper question. So most of you have watched that video now. Please comment. Physical science paper we have discussed this already in the last. If you haven't, yesterday's lecture, please go through that. So here what all are possible? 1, 2, 3 already taken. So 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 possibilities are there. So, or if you want to list it out, because the numbers are less, so I will list it out all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is one possibility. 1, 2, 3, 5 is another possibility. 1, 2, 3, 6 is another possibility. 1, 2, 3, 7 is another possibility with 1, 2, 3 in the beginning. Now 1, 2, 3 in the end. 1, 2, 3 in the end. 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 6, 1, 2, 3. 7, 1, 2, 3. 4 more. So 4 plus 4, 8 is the answer. Again, listing out like this is not at all needed. ये x के लिए 4 possibility, इसके लिए 4 possibility, so 4 plus 4 8. That is the best way. But as the numbers are smaller, to give you convincing, to convince you all, I'm listing out all the 8 numbers. पिछले फिजिकल साइंस वाला क्वेश्चन में वो पॉसिबल नहीं था बिकॉज वो नंबर बहुत बड़ा था बिकॉज 5 डिजिट नंबर और 0 to 9 में था. सो आई थिंक द आंसर वाज समथिंग 36 और सॉरी above 100 something na. So that's why listing out was not possible at all. Fundamental principle of counting का idea use कर सकता था वहां. So this all we'll be discussing in the unit permutation and combination. Permutation and combination कुछ क्वेश्चन मैनुअल काउंटिंग से कर सकता है, कुछ क्वेश्चन फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ काउंटिंग से करना है, कुछ क्वेश्चन कॉम्बिनेशन फॉर्मूला से करना है. So that if you understand the distinction, it is very simple. So this question, now you will be surprised to see CSIR repeated another question. This also was discussed in the physical science subject question paper. But वो physical science question इसका first part ही पूछ रहा था. Here they are asking little extra. So this is an extended version of that question. पिछले question life science का easier था, physical science का difficult था. This one physical science was easier. This one is little difficult. Difficult means little more time consuming. That's all. So try this, all of you. Okay, some of you got an answer. So I will just continue this from the previous video itself. In the previous video, I told you these were irrelevant. Now you understand why they have irrelevantly put it, because they want to create two question paper for two subjects. One question with the 3 km per hour, 5 km per hour, 6 km per hour, 16 km per hour needed. That is this question. And वो physical science paper में वो needed नहीं था, because वहां पे total distance क्या है वो पूछा था. यहाँ पे total distance नहीं, total time क्या है ये पूछा है. इसलिए first you have to find the total distance, just like we did in the previous video. How? Let x be the total distance. Let x be the total distance. Total time x नहीं है, that is something else. That is a final answer. X is not the final answer. X is total distance. So total distance का 1/10 मतलब x by 10 उसने x by 10, then x by 6, then x by 5, then remaining is 16 kilometer. ये सब ऐड किया तो x मिलेगा ना. This if you solve x is equal to 30 मिलेगा. I am going super fast because this already I explained in the last lecture video. Physical science question paper mein this was the question and 30 was the answer. Question was over. Now this question is not asking what is the distance. Question is asking how long, कितना time लगेगा ये 30 kilometer distance travel करने के लिए. So let us draw the picture to get more clarity. So 30 kilometer total distance है, इसमें से last 16 kilometer, that is clearly mentioned. 16 kilometer उसने 16 kilometer per hour speed में था. So 16 by 16 time is equal to distance by speed ना. Time is equal to distance by speed. 16 by 16 1 hour. So ये strip के लिए 1 hour लेगा confirm. ये strip के लिए 1 hour. So answer 1 hour नहीं होगा क्योंकि remaining distance भी cover करना है ना. So 1 hour से ज्यादा होगा. Now 1 by 10th of this 30. 1 by 10th of the 30 means 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer speed क्या था? 3 kilometer per hour. Yeah, here they have given numbers so easy for you. मतलब ये strip के लिए भी 1 hour लेगा. ये strip के लिए 1 hour. I will call it PQ yeah, the picture is not proportional, just randomly I'm drawing RST. So next 1/6 of 30, 1/6 of 30 means 30 by 6, 5 किलोमीटर के लिए स्पीड क्या है 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, मतलब 5 by 5 1 hour itself इसका भी लगेगा. Now 1 by 5 of 30 that is 6 किलोमीटर, उसका स्पीड क्या, वो स्ट्रिप का स्पीड क्या है 6 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मतलब 1 hour उसके लिए भी लगेगा, और ये 1 hour. So 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour added 4 hours. They have given so conveniently the speed that you don't have to make tedious calculation. Just 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 16 by 16. इसका शॉर्टकट भी है, शॉर्टकट I will teach you in the speed distance time chapter. All of you confirm, is it clear or not? Any doubts? So yeah, speed distance time chapter mein you should know what is speed formula, distance formula, time formula. All those things are needed. So that all we will be discussing in the speed distance time. Speed distance time and work is a unit where we will be discussing 3 lectures on that unit. So these ideas we'll be discussing there. Now this one is a very interesting question, a practical question. Last part, how 1 hour? 1 hour, because 1/10 of the total distance we found it is 30 in Ashashigala. So 30 1/10 means 1/10 by 1/10 into 30, 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer at the speed of 3 kilometer per hour. So time is equal to distance by speed. Distance 3 divided by speed 3. So 3 by 3, 1. So 1 hour Shashigala. Same way 5 by 5, because 1 by 6th of 30 is 5. 1 by 5th of 30 is 6. So 5 here, 6 here. And the speeds are luckily 5 kilometer per hour and 6 kilometer per hour itself. Clear? Yes. So then go for this, a practical question. Yeah, the funny thing, or maybe some of you may argue that is not nice. If you are not familiar with the sizes of the pizza or how the terminology of the size, you will be actually confused, because the question didn't mention it. They are just assuming you are supposed to know that. Yeah, maybe many people don't like pizza, or many people avoid it because of health reason, because most of the pizzas, the calories are so high, or otherwise we have to make it at home. And if we make it at home, we won't be calculating the size or anything. So ये question में you are supposed to know 12-inch pizza में ये 12-inch क्या है? Yeah, can you comment? Do you know what is that 12-inch? Is it the circumference? Is it the radius? Is it the diameter? Yeah, common sense use किया तो भी you can guess which one among these three. But I agree that this question, I am interested in math. That is why when I see things around me, or when I see when I go to a restaurant also, I try to see numbers there. That's why I got to know about this. But I don't know whether everyone have already understood 6-inch pizza means diameter. Yes, so that's why I'm asking if you're already clear about it or not. Are you already clear about it or not? So please comment. And after that, try the question. After that, I will explain. 12-inch pizza में 12-inch circumference है, या diameter है, या radius है, या और कुछ है? एरिया नहीं होगा, एरिया है तो इंच स्क्वायर में होना चाहिए. Normally in our class, many chapters, to understand the chapter, I use the pizza example. So those of you attended my previous classes, maybe you can relate this pizza example better. But there we haven't discussed about how the size of pizza is mentioned. So all of you try please. 1 more minute to try this question. Okay, so I'll explain. So a person orders a 12-inch circular pizza online. So 12-inch means that's a diameter. Let me clarify it. Again, diameter ke jagah, if you consider radius, that won't change the answer actually, because diameter ka आधा hai radius. So all four options also you will be reading with that perspective only. So that is not a big issue, but if it is circumference, I think the answer may change. I'll come to that. We'll check that. So anyway, 12-inch pizza means 12-inch will be the diameter, the longest chord, which is diameter. मतलब ये ओरिजिनल पिज्जा का रेडियस 12 इंच है. रेडियस से मैं क्यों कनेक्ट कर रहा है? बिकॉज वी वांट टू कनेक्ट इट विद द एरिया. इसका थिकनेस यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट, बिकॉज as they are giving standard pizza, ये 12-inch pizza का thickness also 4-inch, 6-inch, 3-inch, 5-inch का thickness same होगा. Thickness means I am telling about this thickness. So इसलिए even if pizza का volume find करना है, as the height or the thickness is through same for all the pizzas, you only have to find area. So 12-inch pizza ka area pi into r square. Yeah, basically you have to know this formula only. Pi r square formula sabko pata hai na, area of a circle. Mensuration chapter mein all areas, perimeter, volume we will be discussing in detail. So pi into 12 square, sorry 6 square, because 12 inch is the diameter, so 6 inch is the radius. So 36 pi is the area of pizza you are supposed to get. But question बता रहा है कि restaurant calls her back and says that 12-inch pizza अभी available नहीं है, the stock is over. Instead they are offering 4 choices. You can choose any of it. So when you will get best value for money. So the funny thing is this 12-inch pizza have no role in our answer at all, because ये 36 pi से ज़्यादा है या कम है, that is not what the question is asking. ये चार में से कौन सा पिज्जा का एरिया ज़्यादा है, so that you get more pizza. So that only you have to check. So 4-inch pizza means 4 diameter है, so radius 2 है. 6-inch का radius 3 है, 3-inch का radius 3/2 है, 5-inch का radius 5/2 है. So pi 2 square into 6, क्योंकि 6 such pizzas देगा this particular restaurant. That means 4 pi into 6, 24 pi का corresponding. 36 pi का पिज्जा के बदले 24 pi मिल रहा है. Instantly you will be not happy at it at all. But if you don't know math, if you are not observing math properly, you will feel like, okay, ये तो अच्छा deal है ना, because 12-inch के जगह 4-inch वाला 6 मिला, so 4 into 6 24. He said 24, not at all, because 4-inch, that is also related to the theory I taught you in that previous question I have discussed now. Square exponentially large. So 2-inch pizza becoming 6-inch, it is not a difference of 4. 2 square and 6 square, 4 and 36 difference. That is so big a difference compared to 2 to 4 difference. So 6 4-inch pizza is much, much smaller than 1 12-inch pizza. Even if it looks like 4 into 6, 24, this should be larger. No, area wise or volume wise, this is much smaller. Now 4 6-inch pizzas. So pi into 3 square. So 4 times that. That is 9 pi into 4. Don't simplify pi and all. That is not the requirement at all. 9 into 4, 36 pi. Matlab 4 6-inch pizza or 1 12-inch pizza, same amount of pizza milega. Getting the point? Yeah, 4 6-inch pizzas चाहिए 12-inch pizza से match करने के लिए. Yeah, this actually, this idea you can see not only in pizzas. Yeah, obviously in restaurants, when you go to eat pizza also, you can see this. You will feel like, okay, the price difference is so high. Large pizza and medium pizza price difference is so high. But the inch difference is just 2 or 4, 2 or 3. Because when that is squared, the size difference is so big. That's a reason. This happens for TV sizes also. When you look at prices of TV in this Amazon or Flipkart sales, 32-inch TV price may be 8,000, but when it goes to 50-inch, the price is like almost 4 times. But you will feel like 32 and 50, the difference is just 18. No, square difference you have to check now. Samajh mein aa raha hai na? There also, if you find the area only, you will understand whether that price is justified. Yeah, other reasons for price difference also are also there, but this area you have to calculate there. Yeah, math is all around you. How much you are observing, that is the key. Yes, answer will be same only, Hemant, because it's comparison only, na. No, answer. No, answer will be different. You have to consider diameter only. I mean, given data is diameter, so half of it. Yeah, I can say maybe you can ask CSIR why you are asking us to understand the what we can say, terminology of pizza sizes. Maybe CSIR will say the reason, when you see something, observe it. But maybe technically there is a problem that it is not defined in the question. How pizza sizes is defined. Maybe in a European context, this, or Italian context, or American context, this may make more sense because they eat more pizzas than us. Na? We all may not like pizzas. For example, I also don't like pizzas, but once in a while, when I feel a craving, I go for a pizza. Otherwise, I very rarely eat pizzas. So being Indians, liking pizza or knowing about pizza is not mandatory, but unfortunately, CSIR thinks that you're supposed to know it. So we have to proceed that way only. Okay, let us continue. So 7 3-inch pizzas means pi is 3 by 2 the whole square into 7. That is 7 times. Yeah, this will be very small pizza anyway. 9 by 4. That means 63 by 4. 63 by 4 is going to be smaller anyway. That is 15 point something pi. 15 by approximately, or 16 by approximately. 5 5-inch pizzas. So 5 into pi 5 by 2 the whole square. 5 pi 5 by 2 the whole square. So 25 by 4. 25 by 4 into 5. That is 125 by 4 pi. Yeah, this calculate properly. 125 by 4. 120 by 4 is 30. 125 by 4 is 31.25 or 31 pi. So among these, the best option is this. So second option. Yeah, the restaurant is so crooked, I will say. They don't have what you ordered and they are replacing it with exactly the same amount of pizza. That also not in your preferred size. So don't go to this restaurant anymore. Because, yeah, if it is their mistake, normally they should compensate it by giving a little extra. Na? They are not even giving extra, and they are fooling you by giving you 4 options that you may choose an option which is not having not even the same amount of pizza. Very interesting question anyway. In exam hall, whether you should try this or not, that depends whether you know the 12-inch means it is diameter. If you take radius, if the options, you can calculate with radius and see whether the answer is becoming different, but chances are their answer can be different also, because radius का square, diameter का square, exponential increase का वजह से answer different हो सकता है. But this third option is so small. Siddhartha will take a few more minutes and complete. You can watch the recording of the Mr. Part also. This paper analysis need a little extra time than the normal sessions. Normal sessions will be 1 hour only, but this sessions will be little extra time. Hemant calculated for the other 4 also. I'm not saying the values will be same. Values will definitely be different. But comparatively, whether second option itself is coming as the same answer, that you can check if you want. Or if you want, I will check it for you. So if it is, you are considering diameter, if this all are considered as radius. So 6 into pi 4 square, that is 4 square 16 pi. 16 pi into 6. 16 pi into 6 is 64 pi. This is 6 square 36 pi into 4. 36 into 4 144 pi. Third case it is 3 square 9 into pi. 9 pi into 7 63 pi. Fourth case it is 5 into 25 125 pi. Yeah, still this is better. So if you consider radius, fortunately here the answer is not changing, even if the whole area will definitely change, but comparing all 4 cases, still second option is same. But that is not always true. That is what I'm trying to say, because the 6 and 4 and 7 and 5 difference is smaller. That is the reason why even if you took radius by mistake, you will get the same answer. But let me tell you, 12-inch pizza means 12 is the diameter. Why it is so? Because that is how it is taken as a convention. Yeah, question, chemical science paper mein same question tha na? And this question's answer is fourth option. And this same question was asked in 2018 CSIR-NET exam. What I remember is that was in the mathematical science, earth science, and chemical science paper. It was there. That exact same question got repeated in life science paper. So try it super fast. Try it super fast. When I'm saying exact same means in chemical science in 2025 question paper, the same question was there. But there the answer was a finite answer. But this is an infinite answer. That is why fourth option is the answer. I already told the answer. But please try this. So if you attended my last to last video in the series, we already discussed the formula and all. Average speed ka concept. There it was Ramesh traveling from Durgapur, Kolkata, something like that. There was a question. Na? That was in the chemical science paper. In the same year, same exam, 2 subjects had the same question in it. Use the same formula. Use the same approach. Finally, you will get the answer. Due to lack of time, shall I start explaining? Try it super fast. I'll give you 30 seconds more. Okay, so the formula 2 times first speed into second speed divided by first speed plus second speed. This formula, don't use first speed plus second speed by 2. 50 plus 100 by 2 answer nahi hai. Sorry, 50 plus 100 by 2 nahi. We need to reach 100. 50 plus x by 2 is equal to 100. Isko simplify kiya to maybe you will get one of the 4 options. Let us check that. This is the wrong way of doing. 50 plus x equal to 200. X is equal to 150. वो भी options में है. But that is totally wrong, because that is applicable only if the time is same. Again, detailed theory, average speed ka discussion hoga. This concept I have explained n number of times before exam, and in the expected questions also I told go learn this and go. And many students even after the exam told what you told, exact same questions came, many of them. Okay, so how quickly must Rajesh drive the remaining distance to reach the city at the average speed of 100 km per hour? So required average speed is 100. First speed is 50 km per hour. Next speed y, we don't know, so I will keep it y itself. So average speed s is equal to first speed 2 times first speed into second speed divided by first speed plus second speed. This is the shortcut formula. This formula is nothing but distance by time formula. From that you are deriving this. The derivation I will teach you in the topic when we are discussing. So 2 times first speed 50 into second speed y divided by 50 plus y is equal to 100. इसको simplify करिए. ये 100 और 2 into 50 को कैंसिल कर सकता है. उसके बाद यहाँ 1 रिमेनिंग है. ये 50 plus y if you take to this side, 50 plus y is equal to y. ये एक absurd equation है. Absurd means y plus 50 is y itself. एक नंबर के साथ 50 ऐड किया तो भी वो नंबर ही मिलेगा. वो कैसा पॉसिबल है? Or in other words, if you take y to the other side, what you will be getting? Y minus y 0. 0 is equal to 50. ये भी absurd है ना? Absurd है मतलब for no such y this will work. That means option 4 is the correct answer. Or if y is infinity only, this will work. Infinity plus 50 is infinity itself. Infinite speed is nothing but impossible speed. Infinity is not a number. Please don't consider infinity is like you're increasing the speed, that you are reaching a speed that is infinite speed. So that is not the idea. So that we'll discuss more about it. As I told, this same question was asked earlier few years back with this infinite speed as the answer. Cannot be possible for any finite speed. That was the fourth option in that year question paper. So in the class notes, I will show you the solution of all that. So this question will take some time. This question, many people may answer 100 is the answer, 100 is not the answer. So that I will explain then. We'll discuss one more smaller question and finish. Otherwise, time won't be enough. This was a general science question, general understanding question. As this was for a life science student, I think you can easily answer this. So general science, as I always say, general science ka 1 or 2 question you can expect. But that can be from any area. So don't worry too much about that section. Even if I give classes in this course, as part of this course, I will be giving classes for general science. Don't worry too much about that section. That is one suggestion I want to give you all. Okay. Sometimes the question will be so easy that you can answer it without any training or anything. Sometimes the question will be so difficult that skipping the question is the best choice you can do. So according to the merit of the question, you have to decide whether to answer it or not. So this please keep in mind. Yeah, this one, please answer. These are the 4 options. Look at the options also. Options are actually helpful. Options itself is saying which is the smallest. So that's a clue that is given to you. Let me just check the original question paper that options are exactly like this or not. Sorry. Second option, there's a mistake. It is BDCA. BDCA. Second option is B less than D less than C less than A. Yeah, now answer it, please. So due to lack of time, I will start explaining. So toe should be the smallest. Toe should be the smallest. That's why I was checking the options, because no option was saying toe was smaller. So it's a typing error. Toe should be the smallest. Uske baad heart. Heart should be the next smallest. Yeah, heart. Um, in pictures, we may get confused that heart is bigger or not, but heart is size of a toe, we normally say. But yeah, size of sorry, hand, in our hand, lesser than that will be the size. So toe, then heart, then arm, sorry, then head, then arm. So option 2 will be the best choice. Option 2 will be the best choice. So that was, in my opinion, a comparatively, yeah, arm or head, which one will be bigger? Arm will be bigger. Now arm means we are considering till here. So if we consider till here, arm will be bigger. So yeah, small confusions are there, I agree. So but anyway, option, one second, I will just correct the options in the BDCA. So option 2 will be the better choice. Other options you can eliminate by considering each case and comparing. That way also you can eliminate. Anyway, in my opinion, second option is the correct answer. I haven't checked the official key, but I think option 2 itself will be the correct answer here. So that's it. Any other doubt? So I think today we will complete here. Today some question took a little extra time to explain. Remaining all questions we'll be discussing in our respective lectures. So that time you will get more idea. I'll just show you this question. I think it was there in physical science or chemical science paper also. But this question, I need to teach you some theory. That theory is already there in the flashcards. So divisibility ka theory discuss kiya hai. But in the divisibility chapter, I will explain this. And this one, logical puzzles only. This one, mensuration chapter question. This one, counting of polygon question. And this one, area mensuration question. And yeah, that were the question. This is data interpretation we'll be discussing in that chapter. Mensuration का question easy question था, ये data interpretation का question था. ये एक general science question है, simple है, to discuss then. And this is number system question. This is finding the X chapter question. These were the question. All these questions will be discussed in our respective chapters. So in these 60 topic lectures, all these are already planned. So detailed theory, uska previous, yes, Sara previous year questions or the other previous year questions, all we'll be discussing. Link of the WhatsApp group you can check in the announcement section announcement section of the course page. So if any of your friends want to join this course, let them know. The holy offer is till tomorrow for getting extra discount. And CSIR-NET ka live course, recorded course we have, but recorded course is the recordings of the previous batch. Live course is the latest batch where you can get more features. Weekly test and other features are part of the live course only. So be part of the live course. You can tell your friends. This is the GATE live course. Those of you join CSIR-NET live course, GATE live course के लिए 50% discount भी मिलेगा. That also you can avail. You're planning to join both the courses. So CSIR-NET courses, those if you want to, there are batches we are starting every month, multiple batches. So if you join now, you will be getting access of previous batch videos also, and upcoming batch you will be automatically added. So you don't have to wait for a new batch to start. Join now. from the first lecture of the next batch, if you want to start, you can do that. So yesterday we started a new batch. So after this week, next week we'll be starting a new batch. So if you are joining this course, you can, there is no separate course page for different batches. You are given the videos of the previous batches also, and you can start from the new batch fresh. If you want to start, that is also possible. A separate schedule will be given. That schedule you can follow. That's all. So this I'm telling to those people who are watching this as a demo video. So meet you all on the next lecture. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you all on the next class. Have a good day.